In the world of woodworking, few things are as satisfying as turning a simple piece of timber into a piece of furniture that someone is willing to pay for. There is a certain magic in shaping raw material into something useful, something beautiful, and something that becomes part of someone's home and everyday life. Furniture has always had the power to carry value, both emotional and financial, and today's handcrafted market has created a new wave of buyers who are willing to pay more for pieces that feel real, original, and made with heart. When you craft furniture, you're not just building objects, you're creating experiences, the comfort of a chair, the warmth of a wooden table, the charm of a handmade shelf. And when you learn to create pieces that look good, serve a purpose, and match trends, you step into a world where your skill becomes a steady income stream. This narration focuses on furniture craft ideas that don't require complicated tools or long building hours, yet carry strong earning potential because they match what buyers want: clean designs, functional pieces, practical sizes, and a feeling of natural beauty. These projects fit perfectly into homes, studios, offices, and small spaces, making them ideal for online marketplaces where modern buyers search for pieces that feel unique and handcrafted. The beauty of simple furniture builds is that they allow you to earn consistently without burning out. You don't need to be a master carpenter, you just need a good eye for shape, style, and practicality. With every project, you create something that people love to purchase, and that love becomes your profit. In this narration, we will explore how simple ideas can evolve into high-demand furniture, how you can shape your craft into products that sell quickly, and how every piece you build can become a direct step toward stronger financial independence. Whether you are building your first furniture piece or expanding your workshop offerings, this journey is about finding the sweet balance between creativity and income, where every build has meaning, purpose, and earning potential. When crafting furniture for profit, the most important principle is understanding what people are actively buying. Modern homes, apartments, and small living spaces all share a growing need for compact designs, multifunctional pieces, and furniture that adds style without taking up space. That means simple builds, the kind you can create without heavy machinery, often end up being the best sellers. A compact wooden bench, for example, instantly becomes desirable because it works in entryways, bedrooms, patios, and even offices. A minimalist table with clean lines fits into homes that prefer a contemporary look. A wall-mounted shelf brings both storage and decoration. People pay well for these pieces because they give beauty and function without overpowering a room. The key to transforming simple furniture into profitable products lies in the way you shape the design. You don't need complex joinery or difficult curves. Instead, focus on clean cuts, smooth edges, functional strength, and a polished finish. These elements alone elevate even the simplest build into a piece that feels intentional and valuable. Many beginners think they need complicated patterns to attract buyers, but the truth is the opposite. Modern buyers prefer furniture with simplicity, elegance, and a touch of natural charm. A well-sanded surface, a solid structure, and a beautiful wood tone can make your piece look 5 times more expensive than the cost of materials. As you continue building, you begin to see the patterns in what sells quickly. Small tables with modern shapes often attract first-time buyers who want something unique but affordable. Wooden stools become high-demand items because they serve as side tables, plant stands, or even decorative accents. Bedside tables with clean frames, slender legs, and natural finishes often sell within hours because they fit effortlessly into minimalist and Scandinavian homes. When you create pieces like these, you are not just crafting furniture, you are crafting profit, because every build has multiple potential uses, making it attractive to a wider audience. Another powerful factor in turning simple furniture into steady income is the emotional connection buyers form with handmade pieces. People are increasingly choosing handcrafted furniture over mass-produced items because they want pieces that feel personal and carry a story. Your creativity becomes part of the product, and buyers appreciate the authenticity. When someone purchases your handmade bench or shelf, they feel they are bringing something meaningful into their home, something created by real hands, with care and intention. This emotional value often encourages them to pay more, even for simple designs. You can also increase your profits by offering customizable options. A small change in height, a different stain color, or a slight alteration in size can turn one design into 10 variations, all appealing to different customers. Customization is one of the strongest income boosters in the furniture craft business, because it gives buyers control while giving you higher earnings for the same base design. Even something as simple as allowing customers to choose between natural wood, dark walnut, or warm honey stain can transform a basic piece into something that stands out. The more you build, the more you learn what materials bring the best results. Pine is affordable and easy to work with, making it ideal for beginners. Oak, walnut, and teak deliver higher profits because they carry natural beauty that buyers instantly connect with. You don't need exotic wood to create value. What matters is how you present the grain, how you finish the surface, and how solid the piece feels. Buyers often test furniture not by technical details but by how the piece looks and feels the moment they first see it. Smooth surfaces, rounded edges, and rich finishes create a sense of quality that naturally attracts higher-paying customers. Furniture crafting becomes even more profitable when you photograph your pieces beautifully. Clean backgrounds, soft lighting, and simple staging make the wood grain and design stand out. A single quality photo can double your chance of making a sale. Buyers shop with their eyes, especially online, and when they see a piece that looks like it belongs in a stylish home, they immediately imagine it fitting into their own space. This emotional visualization is a powerful tool that leads directly to sales. As you grow, you may also discover that certain styles always maintain strong demand. Scandinavian furniture, for example, remains incredibly popular because of its clean design and natural wood tones. Modern rustic furniture combines sleek shapes with warm wood textures, attracting buyers who love the feeling of natural comfort. Minimalist furniture appeals to those living in apartments and small homes who want functional pieces without visual clutter. These timeless styles allow you to build the same designs repeatedly while maintaining consistent profits. One of the most rewarding aspects of building simple furniture for income is that your process becomes faster with each project. Creating furniture that sells quickly and consistently is not about complexity, it's about understanding what people love to bring into their homes. Simple builds, beautiful finishes, natural materials, and practical designs form the foundation of steady income in the woodworking world. When you craft with intention and present your pieces with care, every project becomes a chance to earn more, grow more, and build a business shaped by your creativity. If you enjoyed this narration and want to support the work that goes into creating it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.